Okay, so you want to find influencers online? Well, today we're going to go over 11 tools that will allow you to do just that. Let's dive into it. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so that you can get more videos like this in the future. First tool is Buzzsumo. Buzzsumo is a social listening platform that allows you to identify trending topics, high-performing content, and content creators with real authority. Additionally, Buzzsumo allows you to check out your competitors to see which strategies work best for them. Let's check out number 2. Traackr. Traackr is a search engine for finding influencers, managing campaigns, and tracking your performance. All influencer profiles are vetted based on historical performance data, and users can use filtering tools and AI recommendations to find prospective partners. Number 3, Keyhole. Keyhole is a platform that measures hashtag and engagement analytics. This allows you to monitor performance in real time. The platform also offers discovery, brand monitoring, and market research as well. Next up, number 4, Awario. Awario is a social listening tool that helps users identify influencers. And it also allows you to find clients looking for potential solutions like maybe the ones that you have. The other cool thing it does is it tracks sentiment across multiple platforms. Next up, we have Followerwonk. Followerwonk is a tool that allows you to identify Twitter influencers. It also probably gives you the most advanced Twitter data that I've seen out there. It's really cool. You can see influence, activity, demographics, who your audience follows. Check it out. I like it. Next up is Klear. That's Klear with a K. Klear is another influencer search engine that allows you to search for influencers based off of platform, category, skill set, and you can even see which brands they've mentioned. So if one of your competitors did an influencer marketing campaign and you want to see all the influencers who mentioned their brand to do the same thing, you could do that with this tool. So it's great for finding niche influencers or people who have worked with specific brands in the past. Let's look at number 7. It's called GroupHigh. So GroupHigh is a content marketing tool that helps users find contact information for bloggers and influencers. You can also do research and build targeted outreach lists as well. Number 8, UpInfluence. So this is kind of an all-in-one AI-powered influencer marketing platform. It covers everything from the search process to campaign management, outreach, analytics, and more. Next up, we have BuzzStream. And BuzzStream is essentially a CRM for managing influencer outreach. It tracks interactions with influencers, monitors your backlink profile, and it helps you build lists and pitch influencers directly from the platform. I've used this one a couple times. It's pretty cool. Next, we have SimilarWeb, number 10. So is SimilarWeb really an influencer platform? Kinda, not really. But let's take a look at it. So it's really a marketing intelligence tool that helps you understand your market, competitors, and audience and identify relevant influencers, sometimes in opportunities. Last but not least, number 11, we have Traackr. Traackr Media is a global influencer platform that connects brands to the right influencers from all over the world. It's a software which offers everything brands need in one platform. Influencer marketing working really well for e-commerce right now, as well as a variety of other businesses and services. Check it out. If you like this video, if you have a question about one of the tools I mentioned, leave it below. Give me a like, give me a comment. I appreciate it. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.